When you receive the machine, you will have 4 cap frames, 1 cap station, and 2 cap drivers, 4 cap frames, 1 cap station, 2 cap drivers, 8 clamps. Before installing the cap frames, must select the cap function on the computer. Go to number 4 step here. Then press here. Then press on cap function. Press yes. Then yes. Now this is the cap frame working area, 280 width, 75 mm height. Now I will show you how to assemble the cap driver on the machine driver. Make sure this part of the cap driver to up and the 4 bearings are like this. Down of the tube has a linear bar to send it through the 4 bearings. Send the cap driver with the 4 bearings to the shaft bar under the tube, then move it forward and back to make sure it's a smooth movement. Send the 2 Allen screws to the machine driver. Then tighten it carefully. Now the 2 cap drivers installed on the machine driver. Install the cap station to the table. Then tighten the screw. The cap station has 3 locks. And this guide is here. Remove the lock on the cap frame. Then send the cap frame to the cap station. And make sure this part is inside the cap frame gap. Push the cap frame with your hands. Make sure the 3 locks are locked. Take out the cap band, then install the cap to the cap frame. Make sure the cap band is under the frame metal plate like this. Put the locking band on the actual cap. Then lock it carefully. Remove the cap with the cap frame from the cap station. Then install it to the cap driver. Make sure that this part will go inside the cap frame gap here. Turn the cap frame to left. Pass down the embroidery head. Then send it to the cap driver. Push the cap frame with your hands. And make sure all lock. Now after we installed the 2 caps frames on the machine driver, we will go to the machine computer. Make sure that there is no design running on the computer by checking this button is pink in color. But if it's blue in color, have to change it to pink like this. Now we will upload the design from the USB. Go to step number 1. Press the USB button. Select the design. Press here to upload the design. Go out from here. Then select the design to use. Then go to step 2 to check the design parameters. Go to step 3 to select the color sequence. Number 1 color with the number 3 needle. And number 2 color with the number 8 needle. Go to the number 4 step to confirm the design working area is right. By moving left or right, up or down, or select this button to move the design to the frame center. Now press here to confirm the moving frame along the design border. Then go out from here. And make sure there is blue in the color. It means the design on work now. Press start to run the design on the machine. after the design running finished. Remove the cap with the frame from the driver. Release the lock to remove the cap from the frame. Now the cap is ready.